On Thursday, July 17th, 2024, Kimberly Guilfoyle gave a speech at the RNC held in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Day 3, and Michelle Obama on August 20th, 2024, in Chicago, Illinois, gave a speech at the DNC Day 2. I found both speeches were similar in many ways. Both women spoke with clear views for their political parties and spoke on the core values of their campaign. By using intense language and a dramatic delivery, they help invoke fear to their party, but also focused on the hope and empathy to help create an emotional connection with the audience. Both women used facts and logic they have found throughout the past few years of both presidential elections and used their examples and clear arguments to help give a proper story of how to fix our nations, and spoke in a tone of hopefulness and urgency and relied calm anger. The women used their own personal background to help build credibility. For example, using years of personal experiences in the government and as well family experiences. Guilfoyle spoke on being a working mother and the promise of this country believing in America. Obama spoke about her children and the life she has worked for and dreamed for her children, believing in the promise of this country and making America the great country again. They both showed that they understand America's problems and can speak from their own experiences, but both spoke this in a tone and delivery that were different but similar, in how they built an emotion and portrayed their party as the hope for their nation and families. At the end of their speeches, they both made a direct, attention-grabbing statement to the voters that is directing the audience to vote and spread awareness of the urgency of this election. That is a moral decision that holds power to making America better again and more equal and fair. I believe Guilfoyle's speech was the best due to the tone and delivery which she gave her speech. She made sure to give it loudly and to create an energy to grab the attention of the audience, but also spoke with emotion and hopefulness. She showed the urgency in the matter of which created excitement to the audience. In all, I believe that both women gave speeches that created very well attention-grabbing emotion and excitement in a state of urgency in a certain tone that caught the audience's attention and was able to build from there. Speaking on the same matters but in different ways of giving the speech, they both fought for the same thing in making America better again and creating this nation to be how it once was. And they urge the voters to work together.